You gonna read to Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay.
What does these letters say?
Those letters talk about garbage trucks. What do you think they say?
I'm a garbage truck.
Mm-hmm.
What do these letters say?
It's still talking about garbage trucks.
Says. That's what it says. I put the garbage right into my hopper and crush it.
Is that what it says? Talks about the hopper?
See? My light is flashing.
I do see those flashing lights. Keep going.
I'm a recycling truck. I pick up trash like cans, paper, boxes, broken glass, and more bottles, and more and more.
Good job. High five. Love you.
What's the next?
What's the next page?
Okay. Close your eyes.
Close my eyes. Okay.
Tighter.
Tighter.
More.
You took a rifle.